Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing this lovely pinwheel card. There's one. And here's another. Using the Mixed Patterns DSP. Let's get started. Card base is 4 1/4 by 8 1/2. You score it at 4. And then you're going to use a pencil and draw an X here to find the center and poke a hole in there. I used in one end, you can mark a 1/2 inch on each side, but the easiest way to do it is get a 1 inch circle and trace around the circle, and that's where you'll stop cutting. DSP is 4 1/8 by 4 1/8 square, and 4 pieces of DSP 2 3/4 by 2 3/4, 2 different designs. You can pause here for the measurements. So let's go ahead and fold that in half. So see how I poked the hole with that? So we're going to go ahead and adhere this. Let's see, what color are we doing? We're doing blue. Let's do the pink on the side. Let me get my Stampin' Seal Plus. And then it goes right here. Alright, and then you're going to take your scissors and go ahead. And you're going to mark, you're going to mark 2 and, let me double check. 2 1/4. 2 1/4 right here on the line. So I'm going to cut that one first. It's already marked right there, 2 1/4. Then you're going to cut all the lines all the way to half, leaving that 1/2 inch there. So to the circle. Then you're going to cut the 4 squares into the triangles to fit into these sections that you're creating, because you're going to make. So there's 4 triangles here and 4 triangles here. So I'm going to go ahead and bring my trimmer in. And you can usually cut 2. 2 is usually my limit. Line it up on the groove. And then I like to start in the middle and go this way. And that way you don't have to, you won't risk bending or smushing the corners of your DSP. So line it up really nice to the groove, stick it in the middle. There you go, 4 squares. Alright, so now you're going to decide which one you want on this side and this side. So I'm going to go ahead and do, I think, yeah, the flowers. So let me get my glue. So glue each section. Leaving just a little smidge of a border. Very slight. And then repeat on the inside. I like the Mixed Patterns DSP. They have coordinating colors. That's how I did the green one and the strawberry slush. Two more. Last one. Oops, I did it backwards, didn't I? That's okay. We're going to keep it. And I'll have to repeat the same on this side. Alright, we'll just be a little different. Alright. So now you're going to want to create your pinwheel, and the easiest way to do that, and I'll bring the sample over here. The easiest way to do it is the one that's part of the middle. You want to make sure that it folds over with room to make a hole there. And then you have to be consistent. If you're going to use this side, you're going to do this side. And it's okay if it overlaps just a little. Oh, I actually like the yellow. There. Okay, and the easiest thing to do is to use your, take your pick tool and get some sort of cushion. I have the inside from the, what do you call it? The Stampin to hold the blocks. I just squished it in there. Like that. And I have a brad that'll fit right in that hole. Then I have a matching shape to cover it up. So here, a little bit more glue on this side to cover up that brad. Oops, I'm going to need more on the sides, I think. Here and here. And that covers that up. And that is it. Close that up. Put my items away. And these are the Pinwheel cards. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have many more video tutorials of fabulous cards. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.